Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. Many of us can remember when anything you saved on your computer stayed on that computer. Well, you could copy it to a floppy drive and then take that drive to another computer and load it on that computer. But for the most part, information stayed on that computer. Today, things have changed dramatically. Information that you put into any of your electronic devices goes over the internet and is probably stored somewhere in the cloud. iCloud is Apple's cloud storage system. The goal of this class is to teach you what cloud storage is in general and then how iCloud works in detail. In this class, you will learn how to back up your phone or tablet to iCloud, save your photos to iCloud and then access them from any device, save documents, spreadsheets, and any other files to iCloud, and then share data on your iCloud with other people. One learner said, iCloud has always been a mystery to me. Now I know much more about how it works. If you're interested in learning what iCloud is and how to use it, I hope you'll sign up for the class. You can meet some other learners with similar interests and become part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.